2014 Scion XD. The squared-off Scion XD hatchback is one of the most distinctive-looking economy cars around. In government crash tests, the 2010 XD earns a perfect 5 stars in side crashes and 4 stars in frontal crash and rollover resistance tests. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.